Hi everybody, this is Zach from DAC for HVAC channel. I had a call today morning. Remember, we are in December and it's very cold weather. This freezer, the temperature inside is 34, which is very high. Remember, this freezer has a high head pressure valve. This high head pressure valve supposed to flood the condenser with a liquid. Uh, in very cold weather, if we have not enough refrigerant, so this one is not gonna pass the refrigerant to the liquid line, and we're gonna get a high temperature inside because there is not enough liquid going to the evaporator coil. Okay, so now we have a leak problem. We have to find out the leak. I am using this field piece leak detector. So take a look with me. You're gonna find. Take a look. We're gonna find the leak right now. Do you hear this sound? This sound means we have a leak. See, we have a leak here. Okay, so we have a problem with this valve. In order to change this pin valve, we have to have this tool. This is a core valve removal, and it works like this. So we have to tie it here. And remove the core. Now we insulated the system from the environment. You see, this is the old core here inside, here with me. So I'm gonna remove it. This is the old one. I'm gonna get a new one. This is the new one. I'm gonna put it here. We tie it. Okay, now we took our core removal. As you can see now, there is no leak. Okay, so no more leak. We have to charge the system. Okay, so this is before I said to you, this is 404A system, and you have to set your fill piece gauge to 404A, and you have to hang the temperature clamp for the liquid line 1 to the liquid line here, and the suction line for the suction line here, to measure the subcooling and the superheat. We're gonna get the refrigerant now, and we have to charge it, but first I have to start the system to find out how much difference between we started the system. As you can see now, look to the suction line, look to the pressures. We have shortage in refrigerant. Going down. And if you look to the side glass here, there's very little liquid. One of the fans is not working. So we have to add more refrigerant. Now we add the refrigerant. As you can see, the suction pressure going up. Okay, and the second fan started. Okay, which is good. Now, when you add Freon, you have to have the scale. This is the best way to add refrigerant, so you know how much you did add. You can see now the side glass is clear because it's full of liquid now, so we are okay. We're gonna go to check the temperature inside. It was 34 before, so it's going down. Yeah, it's 26. For the commercial freezers and refrigerants, if the condenser unit has a high head pressure valve, these units, if you have any maintenance in summertime, if you had a leak before in summertime and you charged the system in summertime, most likely in winter time you're gonna come back to add refrigerant, because in summertime you are not in need of flooding the condenser coil. but in winter time you are in need of that. So, but this unit, we got the problem, we got the leak and we fixed the leak, and as you can see, the pressure is okay and the temperature is going down. It was 25 inside before, and we're gonna go it was 35 and then 34, sorry, and then 25, and then now we're gonna check one more time. Yeah, it is 22 right now. All right guys, I think we did cover how we can fix the valve leak, and what is the problem, and why this situation could happen. It could happen not just because of the leak. As I said to you, if you charge the system in summertime, most likely you're gonna come back in winter time to add more refrigerant, unless if you have the quantity of refrigerant, the exact amount of refrigerant, so you can add them, you can add it in summertime. But most likely if you have a unit like this, split unit like this, split condenser I mean, so maybe if this is the first time for you to do service for unit like this, and you are not familiar with the unit itself, with the same unit, you don't know how much refrigerant it had inside before, so you're gonna come back in winter time to add refrigerant. Thank you guys, and thanks for everybody. Please make a subscribe and press the bell button, so the whole new video is gonna come to you right away. Thank you, have a good day, and Merry Christmas for everybody.